Good morning, y'all. Okay. Oh, let me take this rag off while I'm talking to y'all. Woo! Welcome back to another episode of RV Diaries, where I'm just a girl living in her RV, just doing stuff, okay? I got a side quest for everything, and today I got a TV show to go fly out to. My flight is at 5:30. I just got in the house from on a little date and drinking with my little mans. And it's 2:39 and I gotta get on up out of here, okay? Because I don't want none of my flights to delay or nothing, and my Uber is on the way. So I'm gonna catch y'all on that plane. Oh, excuse me, okay, y'all, we on our way to Arizona, and I can't tell y'all what I'm doing until I get there. So just wait and see. Okay, so we got a layover in DC right now, and then from DC we're going to Arizona. So I'm gonna bring y'all back when we get there, and we're gonna. As soon as I get there, I gotta go to the show. So I gotta check into my room, get dressed, get ready, and head out. Y'all know we finally just now making it to Phoenix after so many hours, and it's hot. Oh, it's hot out here. Hold on, my ride here. Hi. Thank you. Here, listen to that shit. Okay, so I told y'all that I was coming to do a TV show, but I can't disclose what show it is. And this is the dress I'm wearing. I'm just trying it on. And y'all know, if y'all ever had a baby cesarean, that right there be hating on you. Like, y'all see the booty fat, but the cesarean is really hating on me. Like, so I just DoorDash some boob tape, and we about to tape that thing up because we're not dealing with that. And then I don't know if I told y'all I had ended up getting a custom outfit made. I'm not gonna talk about this lady on YouTube right now because she did offer to fix it, but it really wasn't her fault. It just more communication needed to be better on both our ends, because it's just the fabric was really cheap. Like, don't get no denim from the fabric store for me. You go get some Levi's, okay? But I ended up having to just figure out an outfit. Now, I never wore this outfit. I got brand new clothes in my closet. I don't even know why I'm spending money. And the pink really goes for me. Y'all know I love pink. I got me some pink heels, my pink bag I be wearing. So I'm feeling the pink real bad. And what else? I brought so many extra heels and shoes and clothes and outfits. Like, originally I wanted to do an all denim look because my hair's short, but chat told me to do pink because I'm such a pink girly. So now I'm about to get dressed. I'm waiting on my boob tape. What time is it? So it's 12:42 right now. I'm in Arizona, and I just gotta figure out, what I'm about to do. Okay, not what I'm about to do, but I'm about to get ready and get dressed. But I'm just about to just start getting ready. I hate I'm always last minute because I really want to wait to the last minute, but I shouldn't do that. I should just get in the shower, fix my hair, my eyebrows. I'm just done. Like, I'm already done up, nails done, toes done, everything's done. So let me just go ahead and just finish being done. So I'm gonna get back with y'all. I'm gonna see if I can try to get some type of footage, like something, okay? So I'll see y'all back when I'm dressed fully. Okay, y'all, we on our way to the studio. just late. One thing I'm gonna be is late. I don't even blame nobody but me that I ain't that far away. So I don't know if I'm gonna get the recording there. So I'm trying to get some footage now. I'm dressed. I left my favorite necklace at home. So I'm just dressed as dressed gonna get today. Okay. My hair came out real cute though. But I'm mad I ain't got my necklace though. I'm real salty about my necklace. But the show has to go on. So once we get in there, I'm gonna try to get pieces for y'all. But if not, then not. Okay, YouTube, we made it to the show. And I brought my own liquor and stuff. They had liquor though. I just didn't know if they would or they didn't. And we gotta stay in this room the whole time because we can't see the men. And Mom over here making me my own drink. Using their stuff. So yep, so these are the ladies if y'all can see behind me. And I think the liquor is gonna make us hotter. Okay, so I'm gonna try to get some content a little bit beforehand. She said we can record, we just can't post until this show airs, so that works out perfectly. They can be like, that girl done brought her own drink, my own sprinkles and everything. Ooh, that's strong. Okay. All right, y'all. With the toxic tequila, we got I'm so happy I brought my cup and my liquor. So that's it, y'all. They said that the show aired on Wednesday. Y'all want to see the show? Stay tuned for the next episode. I'm going to add it on here. Bye. Have a good night. Because I'm blew out. My feet hurt. I'm back at my hotel room. And I'm done. So, y'all, it's the next day. And I felt like, let me go get some brunch before I go home. Because my flight today. So, right now, I've been trying to upload this YouTube video for y'all all day. And right now, I'm about to go get some brunch. And have a ball. Okay? So, it's so beautiful out here in Arizona. Nobody told me that. It's giving me like West Coast, Miami vibes. It's so pretty. I always wonder, like, why do people move to Arizona? And now I see why. Like, look, I love palm trees. Like, palm trees is the vibes. It's so pretty. Okay, we're going to Sugar Jam. So when I get there, I'm gonna let y'all know. It's such a long ride. I didn't know it was like 30 minutes. They're probably in a waymo because you can't get on the highway. So I'll see y'all in a second. Bye.
Can I get a water as well? Like ice water? Take it too.
Okay, so we just now leaving Sugar Jam. And it was pretty cool in there. That food was so good. Y'all, look at this Waymo. Can't see my name up there. But
Hey there, Mila. Heading to a loft by Marriott Phoenix Airport. Please make sure your seat.
Yes, who's driving that car? Who's driving that car? Who's driving that car? No one's driving the car.
Yeah.
Just who's driving?
Up. That's 10. I know you're strong, so give me 2
I
more.
love these type of cars. Like,
Just like that. Come on.
who driving? No
So
one's
sweet.
driving.
I'm going for the baby. Come on.
Okay, y'all, my trip is over, and I ended up making my own drink on the plane. Now, on my last flight, them little shots was complimentary, not exactly.